On behalf of ExpertVillage, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman Incorporated here in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install a bifold door. Okay, some of the accessories that come with a bifold door, of course, are the handle. You're going to need the handle, of course, to be able to open it. That comes with a screw that will go through the door and into the handle once we have the door installed. This piece is for the bottom. It's threaded to be able to adjust the height of the door in case the door has a little too much play and it doesn't reach the track right at the top. You can adjust it down, raising the door, and it will meet the track. These are all adjustable. These two go on the top, and this is going to be the one that holds it in place, and of course your roller is going to be the one that allows it to go back and forth in the track. This is kind of a guide and a roller at the same time.